The College of Engineering is innovative.
It's got a great vibe for students.
It's so diverse.
And I've really met some amazing people.
Friendly, helpful, hardworking, need to be determined to get through.
This is a great college to be in.
It's structured but creative at the same time.
Fun, definitely that.
It's, alive, which is a good place to be.
Challenging, yes, it's challenging.
It feels like home. It's where I belong. Coming from high school into college, it's a completely different world, and I feel like there's a really good support system at the College of Engineering to help you transition.
Orientation is important for incoming students to attend because it's where they're going to register for classes, it's where they're going to meet a lot of the DU community for the first time and really get acclimated to the university.
We also hope that they learn about the resources available on campus, the opportunities available to them during their college experience here. Students will have the opportunity to hear from the freshman counselors. They'll see who those counselors will be, which is really important because our counselors will support them throughout their entire first year. And then finally, they'll meet with a faculty advisor.
I think it's going to be a challenge, but if you work hard and if you're committed to it, you'll get through, and it's going to be more rewarding than ever to get that diploma.
What sets Boston University's College of Engineering apart is our commitment to create what I call the societal engineer. We want to ensure that our students have a whole series of attributes. The first two are the ones that any engineer would have. Very powerful quantitative-based problem-solving skill sets and the ability to go deeply in a particular well-known engineering discipline. But we also have created a series of programs and courses and dimensions which ensure that students have interdisciplinary teamwork skill sets, a sense of global awareness, excellent communication skills, systems-level thinking, an understanding of the relationship between public policy and technology, a passion for innovation and entrepreneurship, and a sense of social consciousness. Boston University's College of Engineering has departments and divisions. The departments offer 4 different majors: biomedical engineering, computer engineering, electrical engineering, and mechanical engineering. They also support different concentrations. Mechanical engineering supports aerospace engineering and manufacturing engineering, in which students take a series of electives and do something experiential or a senior design project in those areas and get the concentration on their transcript along with the major in mechanical engineering, preparing them for entry-level positions in aerospace or manufacturing. We offer 2 concentrations which cut across all of the majors. One is in energy technologies and environmental engineering, and the other one is in nanotechnology. When students leave Boston University, we want them to appreciate that our program has prepared them in an exciting way to impact society.
The College of Engineering places a lot of emphasis on faculty being involved in undergraduate advising as well as education.
We're constantly updating the curriculum to reflect what our graduates are going to need when they get out into the workplace or when they go to graduate school and so on. So it really ensures that we're up to date, modern, teaching the cutting edge.
I get to interact with the students, and it's a lot of fun. There are always a lot of new students. They're all excited. They're all freshmen. It's it's new to them, and so it's always fun for me.
Office hours here, most professors have multiple days where you can come and visit them, and they encourage you during class to come and visit them because it's a way for them to get to know you outside of class.
The quality of education is really good. Apart from the lectures, there are discussion sessions with teaching advisors which help go even further in depth to whatever you learn.
The College of Engineering has a lot of programs set up for freshman students to kind of acclimate themselves to college life.
Freshmen engineers are all required to take the Freshman Advising Seminar, which is EK 100. They're going to meet in a large lecture hall setting where they're going to hear degree presentations from across the college. They're also going to meet on the alternate Fridays for that with a small group where they're going to meet their student advisor, they're going to meet their faculty advisor, and they'll talk about more informal things such as ethics and things that sometimes make it complicated to be an engineer. They're going to talk about living in the city, study habits, things like that.
One of the nice things about the freshman seminar is that you meet your advisees on a weekly basis or a bi-weekly basis, and you really do get to know them.
First and foremost, it's the people and the faculty that I love about the College of Engineering. You're always surrounded by such smart, bright individuals who are just so talented and so diverse.
There's just so much exciting research going on, and that translates into the undergraduate programs as well.
Here at Boston University, our very best researchers are our best educators. Time and again, the most well-funded, well-respected, most visible scientists and engineering scientists we have are voted by our students as Professors of the Year.
The most important aspect of being at a major research university for an undergraduate engineering student is that your professors are at the cutting edge of their fields, and they're ensuring that what you're learning is relevant to what's really happening in the field.
Professors will talk about their own research or what they've done to get where they've been, and I think that's really great. It's not just about the material that you learn in the text or in the class, but just the broad picture of, okay, well, how is this going to apply to a job when you graduate?
I've been doing research for over 1.5 years now, since the spring semester of my freshman year. The professor that I'm working for, Professor Oliver, sent out an email asking people to help him with his current research, and I replied to that. After an interview, I started working for him.
I'm doing research right now. It's BUSAT. We're building a satellite, and what it is it's a competition that various universities are participating in, and who can build a nano satellite, and whoever wins their nano satellite actually gets flown into space.
I work in the Career Development Office, and one of the best recommendations we can make for freshmen is to come in early. There's so many research opportunities that they have, internship opportunities.
And then they help you update your resume really so that when you graduate, you're ready to go ahead and start attracting companies and find a job.
The city of Boston is a great place to come to for engineering students because of the opportunities that we have in this area. It's a smaller city, but it is a nice urban city, so for your social life, there's a lot of stuff to do. But in terms of engineering, there are so many high-tech companies that are here.
Boston is an ideal place to study biomedical engineering, in particular because this is sort of the medical hub certainly of the nation.
The computer business has been very active here, high-tech industry, biotech. There's a lot of opportunities for graduates to stay in the Boston area when they're finished.
We prepare them very well. We give them a global perspective. A lot of students go abroad, one of our study abroad programs, and that's very important these days. It's understanding how engineering works in the context of the global economy, and I think we give that to students.
College of Engineering students have the opportunity to study abroad the second semester of their sophomore year in either Dresden, Germany, Tel Aviv, Israel, or Grenoble, France. I studied abroad second semester of my sophomore year at the Technische Universität Dresden in Dresden, Germany. The first 2 months of the program, I took a German language course and a German culture course, and the rest of the semester, I took the engineering courses that I would have taken if I were in Boston. One of the great parts of the program was that we got to go visit different research sites and industry in Germany so we could see kind of how the global economy works. I think as a result of studying abroad, I became a much more independent person, a more independent thinker. It's great to go somewhere else and to kind of expand your mind to different things that aren't just math and science, but to culture and to travel, and it's a great experience.
We just try to give them the best education that we can.
The students are able to go out and be very successful in their careers, whether they want to be hardcore practicing engineers or take the management route or take some business route or other route that still uses that engineering fundamentals. And I think everyone is very well prepared as a result of the experience that we give them here.
I don't think I could be more satisfied with the quality of education. I feel like I've built a really strong foundation.
My plan is to go into industry, and I definitely feel prepared that I am able to adapt myself, and Boston University has showed me that I have the ability to learn what I need to do to get the job done.
I really want to go to business school afterwards. My long-term goals are run my own business that produces technological innovation.
I would hopefully like to end up working for NASA, designing either planes or space vehicles.
I want to go to medical school. My dream currently is to find a program where I can get a medical degree as well as a master's in public health.
They start college with dreams, ambitions, and goals, and we want those to become realities for them. This is how we think they will make a difference in our society when they're actually graduates.
I love the College of Engineering because of the commitment the staff and the faculty and all the students put into everything we do.
We want the next 4 years to be a great opportunity for them, a great learning experience, really a transformation in their lives.
What we often say is, when you come to Boston University, 4 years from now when you graduate, if you want to be an excellent entry-level engineer, great. If you don't want to be an entry-level engineer, that's fine too. The world is yours to challenge. You can go to law, medicine, politics, media, or stay in engineering. You can go to research, you can go to medical school, it doesn't matter. You have this tremendously powerful foundation for lifelong success and lifelong impact.